These are the elevators at the Westshore Grand in Tampa, Florida. Let's go up to 11. We'll watch the view. Let's go down the lobby. Here's your inspection certificate. We'll watch the indicators. And we're stopping. We're just gonna. Yeah. These elevators are pretty busy. While we're here, let's just get a look at a hallway. And there's different, actually I guess you can't even call them brails. Or I guess you can, that's a braille. But interesting design. I don't think that we can, there's hotel rooms that overlook the atrium, but I don't think we can actually like get a view of the atrium unless we're in the elevator. Reason being is the fact that this hotel is basically sandwiched between two office buildings. They all pretty much share a lobby, and what you were seeing out the view of the service elevators, by the way, at the end. What you were basically seeing was all those out there are office suites, like you can see that right there. So we're not gonna go to the lobby because of the desk is right on 1 or right on L, but we are gonna go to 2. We're gonna send this one up, and we're gonna get another one. Didn't take my down call. We're gonna go for one more ride. Actually, while we're here, let's see if we can look at the service elevators. So I walked down the hallway, there's meeting rooms on 2. Anyway, there's parking elevators right here. I guess that's what these are. They're not service elevators, they're parking elevators. We're gonna film these in another video though. Spoiler alert, they have the same fixtures as the other elevators. Apparently that door, you need a key card in order to get in from this side, so we're gonna go back down to the lobby. Pretty cool spiral staircase. Alright, I rode up to 10 with some people, and I just want to confirm one more thing that was seen on the map. So I realized, I think these are service elevators. Actually, maybe not. I don't even see any, unless they're behind there. We're not gonna stick around here, though. Maybe. No, here they are. They have Innovation Bruiser fixtures, although we're not gonna ride them. I guess they have those, and they have the parking elevators. We're gonna call one down. It's right here. There is one more view that I wanna film, and that's this. We're gonna get that going up, hopefully. Actually, it's gonna get busy.
What time do you want to meet?
Am I allowed to? Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we're actually gonna film this going down.